family. Long time no see. Here we are again. We're gonna be working on a wood panel that I prepare. This is gonna be a lot of fun. I already put a strip of tape, which I'm planning to take away very soon. So let's get started. I have a lot of a little violet that I got left from one of my mixings, and I'm gonna include the FolkArt milk paint. You can find the link and see how I do that mixture in my playlist. Then I'm gonna add more violet. I'm doing it to the side, and then I'm going to gently put it on top, like layering down, no pushing. That is Soho Violet. This is Master Touch Tallow Blue. Again, to the same spec, a little to the side, and then layering it down. I'm gonna add Artist Love green yellow, same procedure, to the side, and then layering down. You can also find how I mix my paints in the playlist. I always get excellent results, excellent drying results, and I guess you guys can do the same. I'm gonna add a touch of black, just a tiny bit, to create some contrast, not much. That was our Artist Love Black. This is Artist Love Metallic Cobalt Blue. Same procedure, very gently. And at the end, I'm gonna put some copper. Traffic jam. Hold on 1 minute. This one is a little jam. Let me fix it. I'm just using one of my, how do you call this? I forgot the name for this. There you go. Okay, and here we go. Same procedure. To the side first, and then gently on top. I've been working very hard on my other business. I do have a interest in a company that provides IPTV services. That's Internet Protocol Services for Fire Stick, Androids, cellulars, and tablets. So that's been taking me a lot of time. Plus, I'm also working on Christmas decorations, which I will probably show you a little shot when we finish. All right, I will have my milk paint ready. because I will need it. And this is what I'm planning on doing. I'm just gonna pour that thing there, inject some paint, put some paint in the outside, move it around, and then you'll see how my magic finger do the rest. So here we go. Let's just I'm gonna pour it into white. That's milk paint. Generously. Also to the sides. I will be showing you guys also one that I did like this one using silicone, and you see the difference. So let's do a little, let me go this way first. Just gonna be generously moving it. I have plenty of paint, so that's why I move it fast. There you got it. It's looking good. Let's see what happens when we remove the tape and do what I'm gonna do. Let me find that tape that I put in the side without moving it too much. Messy, a little messy. And this is what a request from my wife. She wanted me to, instead of black, she wanted me to include violet. So that's what I'm doing. I'm not worrying too much about the sides because this is gonna be resin, and I'm gonna show you how it looks. Now, we can do it a few ways. We can just use the finger, or we can use a tool. I'm gonna start with the tool first. We're gonna be doing the effect of Let's check to see if everything goes back, or we can help it a little. Let me just give it a minute to see, because I don't want to tilt it so that it doesn't get yeah, I think I'm gonna be needing a little paint some areas. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, a little more here. A little more here. All right. Very nice. Something different. A lot of reaction going on. I like it. All right, let's leave it there to see how it looks a few minutes from now. The milk paint is gonna keep showing up. So I will just leave the camera on a few minutes, and then I'll speed it up so that you guys can see how it grows, how it works. While we wait for that to develop a little, this is how I finish another one that I did. You can see the resin work. This one has a little gold leaf, and you see the sides are only just that corner because everything else is painted. This is available for sale. If someone is interested, you know, email me. I can work a very good price, right? So this is gonna look like that, or this is gonna look like this once I finish and I resin it, okay? Is there any bubbles to go away? Right. Let me remind you guys that the Expo was, we're having another Expo next year. In April, it's gonna be taking place in Seattle. I already have the information in my Facebook page. I will put a link on my description if you guys are interested in finding out more information. In September, we went to the Expo in Orlando, and it was a success. Had a lot of students there. Everybody was very happy. And I already have people calling me and letting me know that they will be going to Seattle. So it's a very good feeling. It's a very good way of doing something different. I hope you like this one. I will be giving you a close-ups very soon. And take good care, family. See you around. A closer look at some of the details we can get. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, hit the bell to get notifications.